why does this matter? Well, it matters for a variety of reasons, and we're going to hit on a couple of them. First of all, the install base of these pendulum valves is very large, tens of thousands. As we approach 500 fabs, 200 or 300 millimeters worldwide, the number of these pendulum valves that are installed with the equipment that goes in is growing. So there are a lot of seals and there are a lot of valves in the market space that need to be maintained. They need to be maintained in order to produce wafers and chips and everything else in semiconductors. That's one of the reasons why it matters. When you look at why does it matter to the fab a little bit deeper, it gets a little more defined, I guess is what I would say. So precision and stability, response time of the valve, cost of ownership, yield on your wafers, all of these things are impacted by that pendulum valve because it's right in the center, again, of your process chamber assembly. It's controlling your process. And therefore, it's very important and critical in these in the world of wafer manufacturing or chip manufacturing. So specifically, you're going to be regulating gas pressure or pressure in your process chambers. Obviously, the valve needs to seal, and that's a safety factor involved, and also automation. These pendulum valves are automated in order to optimize the processes that they're controlling. So they'll continue to be automated and innovated into the future as well. So specifically regarding chip manufacturing, the operation of these valves is critical. So this is what's actually happening in a manufacturing setup at a fab in an etch chamber. You have plasma at the top of this system. You have gas coming in. It gets struck into a plasma. There's a wafer sitting up top here. Plasma interacts with the wafer. Plasma continues down through the assembly, through your pendulum valve, right? It's actually controlling the flow of the gases that at one time were up top at the wafer, but are now flowing through and out the floor line and into the subfab to be scrubbed, right? These are exhaust gases now. So that chemical exposure, right, through that valve poses a lot of challenges for the seals in the valve. We're going to take a closer look at that.